How do I carry this? How do I get back home? How do I start? How do I use this? How do I learn this? How do I fix this? How do I download this? How do I save this? How do I send this? How do I change my password? How do I order this online? How do I reach the market? How do I get there? How do I get home? How do I remember new words? How do I make a sentence? How do I find this place? How do I explain this to my parents? How do I make this easier? How do I keep my room clean? How do I stay focused? How do I learn faster? How do I improve my English? How do I manage my time? How do I sleep better? इसका आपने कमेंट बॉक्स में बताना है कि इसकी इंग्लिश क्या होगी।